everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I am going to do a review, but it's going to be a little different this time. Because this is a health and wellness product and it's something that will require a few outfit changings in different times of the day, this is going to be throughout the day and it's going to be a really cool integrated review of an amazing product. Today I will be reviewing the Ringconn. And I am wearing it today and I have been wearing it for the past week. This product is absolutely amazing. Think about it as a tracker for everything that's good in your life. It will track your sleep performance. It also tracks your sport performance, steps, things that you really want to know. To better know yourself, it's going to be all here in your ring. Actually in the app on your phone, but it comes through your ring. I really want to share my sleep analytics with you and show you how the ring works. So let's go ahead and change into PJs. Okay, I'm wearing my PJs and I am ready to go to sleep. I have my ring on me. I am going to show you a quick close-up so that you guys know what it looks like. Do you see those lights working? That is what gets all your data. I cannot wait to give you guys a whole rundown of this amazing product, but let's go ahead and do that in the morning. Okay, everybody, I am up. I'm still wearing my Ringconn. This is the logo for you guys to get familiar with it, and I am really excited to show you guys an amazing product that I honestly really love. So let's do a quick unboxing first. I have to say the packaging is beautiful. So the way that the process works is when you want to order your Ringconn, you're going to receive this box first, which is a sizing guide. Okay, this is how it looks like. It comes with a little instruction manual where you can select which finish you would like on your ring. Mine is the black version. I have tiny fingers, so I went with the size 6, which is the smallest one they have, and I wear it on the index finger. That is my cat. I actually find it to be really comfortable on the index finger, and it's cool because I actually don't wear a lot of rings on the index finger, so I can wear it all the time without having to remove my old ring and put this one on. Let's unbox the product. Beautiful. It says know yourself better, and what a great slogan for this brand. Get your ring, which I'm wearing right now, but it comes right here, and then you lift this up and now you get your instructions. So that comes in another little compartment, which is so cute. Then you get another compartment, and this is your charging box. So the ring gets placed in here. Look how cute this is. Here is where it charges. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my ring so that you see how this works. So that goes straight in there and it fits perfectly in there and it charges like that. You guys, the ring remains charged for almost 7 days. I wore mine, it was about, I want to say 6 days when I charged it, but it wasn't completely dead. I leave it on all the time, so it's great. And then also it has a USB-C charging port, but it does come with the cable. So again, you remove this and that is your last element on the box. There it is. So you plug that in, you need a brick or a computer or whatever you have, and you charge it, and it charges really fast too. I want to say that maybe I left it for like an hour or two to fully charge when I did, and that was it, which is great because you want to maintain the use of it, you know, so you can get accurate data. Okay, that concludes the unboxing. I cannot wait to talk specs and to show you guys some of my results. Let's do it. So Ringconn was established in 2021 and it became to fruition when a group of scholars, doctors, and scientists got together to develop an amazing cutting-edge product. I am honestly like really impressed and excited. Some quick specs. So the ring is PVD coated in all of the 3 colors. It comes with a free app, so you don't need to pay an additional, you know, subscription to this. You buy the ring and then you get access to the app with all the data that you need, not only for your sleeping, but also your activity, your stress. You'll see here in a second everything that you can learn from wearing the ring. It can synchronize to Apple Health or Google Fit data, which is such an amazing feature. You know, if you guys already follow some of your vitals on your phone, this one will even increase your knowledge of yourself. The ring is incredibly comfortable, which is perfect because you want to wear it for the 24 hours or as much as you can really without taking it off. So continuous wearing of the ring will actually help you monitor your data much better. It really helps that it is a comfortable product. So, that should be an easy thing to do. And you would wonder how this works. Well, it's pretty straightforward actually. It has a low power chip inside it. It has been developed after strong research background. So I think it's time for me to show you some of the data. So here is my Ringconn app. This one is a weekend day, which is Saturday, and it will show you your sleep, your activity, and your stress level. So if we go to sleep, I guess I slept pretty well. And you can see that I slept a total of 8 hours and 5 minutes. I was in bed almost 9 hours. And it gave me a score of 96, which is absolutely amazing, one of my highest thus far. And the best part of this is your sleep stages. So it tells you kind of like how your sleep is distributed. So 6.7% I was awake. I was at an REM, which is your rapid eye movement stage, almost 27%. Then I have my light sleep and my deep sleep. It also shows you your sleeping heart rate with an average based on the days that you have been doing this. And if you want to take a look at what actually should be happening, then you can read a little bit more about where you should be at and what, resting heart rate and sleeping heart rate mean. Then we have sleeping heart rate variation, which is really your average of your heart rate as you're sleeping. And you can see that my average is about 41, and here it gives you a little bit more information on it. And then you have your sleeping blood oxygen saturation, which your average should be at about 95. That's where I'm at. And your sleeping skin temperature, which I think is awesome. There's also a feature here to add naps manually. I honestly don't nap much, but I will definitely be using this if I do nap. But you can enter them manually and you can actually get a little bit of data on your naps as well, which is really cool. So this covers your sleeping. I do want to show you a couple of things. You can add a subjective sleep rating based on how you feel when you wake up. So it goes from poor to normal to optimal. Honestly, today I felt pretty okay. Not super amazing, but I want to say it was about a 6. Now, let's check out, for example, some of the days that I didn't sleep as much. So, for example, look at this one. I slept 4 hours and 25 minutes on Monday. It gave me a sleep score of 67. It could be worse. But then, as I slept a little more, my sleeping score got higher. So 6 hours and 30 minutes on Tuesday, 6 hours and 10 minutes on Wednesday, 7 hours and 45 minutes on Thursday, and then Friday I got a full 8 hours, Saturday 8 hours and 5 minutes. Okay, let's change outfits to review the stress and activity feature of the ring. Let's go. Ready to go? Let's go ahead and review this amazing feature that I enjoy a lot, especially because I work out pretty much 5 times a week and I lift a lot. However, I don't do a lot of cardio. So you're going to see how the results are perfect for what I do at the gym and maybe the changes that I should be making based on what I want for my lifestyle and my health. Let's go ahead and take a peek at my stats. Okay, so let's take a peek at my activity stats for today. So I did not go to the gym today, which shows it clearly. 159 minutes of moderate and vigorous intensity activity and 437 active calories for my Friday workout. I did about 5,281 steps out of 6,000 that are recommended. Then how long I was standing for, which is a great one. And then my levels of intensity. This is super interesting because you can see that most of my workout has been spent on the low to moderate. There wasn't a lot of vigorous, which makes sense, no cardio, right? So a lot of lifting is gonna happen on the low to moderate, which is perfect. And then here you get your percentages. Now let's maybe take a look at another day to see how this changes a little bit. So I know that Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays are leg days. So this score is a little better for me, definitely because of the steps. So I think I may have done a longer warm up. I have a score of 93 on this one. Look at the amount of steps on this one. So let's see, Tuesday, I have Also a score of 90 because I exceeded the 6,000 steps. And also on Thursday because also I exceeded the steps. So really, Friday was a not so good day, but that's okay because it's the end of the week. I probably won't have a great day on Saturday just because I probably won't be going to the gym. But at the very least, I know that I can, have a little walk in here or something, and you can evaluate what you need to do based on your score. Let's quickly talk about stress. And oh my goodness, I love this feature so much, because it allows you to figure out what actually makes you stressed out during the day. So, for example, I have been renovating my house and I have to have some conversations about renovations that are not super happy, right? So I know when I'm getting a little stressed out. So look, there's a peak right here. The orange shows you a peak, which means that your stress went to, high levels from 80 to 100. My score is pretty good today, right? 54, it's a normal. I would like to keep it at a normal rate. But it changes based on what you do during the day. So this is to me one of the most important features of this ring. I want to keep that score below 60 because keeping your stress low is really important for your health. So let's take a peek at Friday. 55, that's still good. It's on the higher end of normal, but I'm okay with that, Tough day on Thursday for me. Also Wednesday and also Tuesday and also Monday. It's funny that at the end of the week is when your stress score goes down, which is when you have less things going on. So I really enjoy that. I'm definitely going to try to work so that this actually goes to the normal rate during the week, just because it's a healthy thing to do. Here you can see that I got some stress during sleep on Thursday. Let's see, on Friday, for example, it looks like this was all good before sleep and during sleep. So it helps you monitor your stress level throughout the day so you can figure out what in the environment you need to be changing. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed reviewing my analytics. I think it's actually pretty cool and eye-opening. I think I'm doing pretty okay so far. But again, if you're someone that really wants to improve your lifestyle, you need to check out Ringconn. You need to get one of these. The link is going to be in the description of this video as well as in the pinned comment. There's going to be a code to save you some money. So you have to take advantage of this amazing product. I hope you do and that you say hi from me. I hope you like this review. If you like what I do, consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. Turn on post notifications. Follow me on social media, support me on Patreon, and I will see you guys soon in another amazing review. I hope you're having an amazing day.